Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I am coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And if you can see, that's the lake. It is so unusual. I am here by the garbage pail. I don't know if you can see my garbage pail. And I have one of our favorite recliner has been broken. So we just put it out for the garbage truck for tomorrow. And so I am sitting here. See, I am sitting down. It is so, this is so weird. Yes. I am sitting down on, yeah, I am sitting down and you can see it's all short pants, so it's very hot here in the Sunshine State. Okay, I feel weird. I'm sitting right by the corner of the street. At any rate, folks, yeah, this is so hilarious, but what I want to share with you, ooh, look how beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What I want to share with you is this amazing, the direct mailing that I am in, this direct mailing club. And the mailing club, it is amazing, folks. So what you need to do, reach out to me. I will drop my link there, hit the bell. Also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will put the link in of all my direct mailing program that I'm in. And folks, you make $65 all the way to $1,000 in commission. There are like 4 levels. You can come in at any level that you're comfortable with, and of course, you can always upgrade if you join at a lower level, and then you can always feel free to do, come in at whatever level you can. Support is available as well as training. It's very simple, folks. Okay, so again, you can, if I can get up from this, see, that's where I was sitting down. So folks, it is very simple. See, this is my garbage pail, the truck, see that, city of Claremont, that's the town I live in. And bye bye, I have to say bye bye to my favorite little sofa. Okay, folks, so again, Sharon Naraine, peace out. Go to um, fastcashwithsharon.com, as well as go to createwealthwithsharon.com. Createwealthwithsharon.com. Okay, folks, that's createwealthwithsharon.com and fastcashwithsharon.com. Okay, doke. So here you can see my beautiful neighborhood, and this flower is blooming. Oh my, look at this flower here. Woo woo! It is blooming, blooming, blooming. Look, lots of flowers is blooming, and then as well as I have this other one up here. This is blooming as well. Look. Smells really good. Really good. Smells really good. Look at this one here. I don't know what name you call it, but I have different names. What have you? See, it's now starting to get a little bit dark, so the light is coming on, the street light. Folks, oh, look at my little bellies, them too. My little bellflowers. See that? So, okay, folks, peace out. Sharon and Rain. Go to fastcashwithsharon.com and createwealthwithsharon.com. And this messy yard, see all what's going on? We have a lots of holly. See that? This is all the leaves from the tree. All the leaves from the tree. Oh my goodness, all the leaves from the tree. And folks, so yeah, take care, peace out. Bye for now. Good night.